Look, QuickBooks is a great accounting package. It's affordable and probably the most widely used accounting software worldwide. And it's very easy to set up for businesses of many sizes. However, most people don't understand is that it's generally designed to handle basic accounting functions, not complex business processes. So as your business grows, you need to expand into other software. And if you start thinking about this too late, it'll backfire and money will be lost. I promise. And if you already are facing challenges mapping your business flows and still using QuickBooks, I think you might be growing too big for your shoes. What you need is a more robust system, allowing you more functionality, which I'll be talking about today. And I'm going to explain why QuickBooks might be holding you back and why it might be time to say goodbye. Plus, we'll talk about a better alternative. So make sure you watch this video until the end. And this isn't just about software. You need to ensure that your business is equipped for success as it scales, which takes us to the number one reason why you might have outgrown QuickBooks. QuickBooks has limited features when it comes to meeting specific business needs. It can basically do accounting really well, along with some other basic functionality. But let's say you're running a growing e-commerce business with a wide range of products. Each of your products requires detailed tracking and management like online descriptions with meta tags, pictures, videos, detailed specifications, user manuals, and the like. You might also have to offer multi-currency support on your website with different prices shipping to different countries. You certainly may need advanced reporting tailored to your e-commerce business. You'll probably need detailed reports by region, product line, profitability, and product popularity. If you're using QuickBooks, it will only help with general accounting. It won't be able to handle your expanding product line efficiently or seamlessly integrate with your e-commerce website. Each time you introduce a new product variation or need to update your multiple e-commerce sites with pricing, descriptions, images, and videos, QuickBooks limitations will become painfully clear. On the other hand, let's consider you using a full ERP system like Acumatica. Now you can integrate financials with CRM, inventory, your multiple e-commerce stores, and more. In fact, switching to Acumatica means you could finally manage your diverse product range, add images and videos, set up multi-tier pricing, different pricing structures for different websites, while seamlessly integrate your e-commerce stores to your main system. You can customize workflows and make sure compatible items are being shipped together. Automate inventory replenishment by having real-time visibility into customer demand and ongoing trends. And generate detailed reports specific to your needs by product brand, product class or category, by customer region, by customer type, and so on, all in real time. As a result, you'll be able to save time and focus more on growing your business. And as your business expands, so does the amount of data you need to manage. I'm talking about customer transactions, inventory movements, supplier information, and so on. And this is another area where QuickBooks falls short. You see, QuickBooks was designed primarily for handling the accounting side of small businesses. It can struggle when it comes to handling large volumes of data and SKUs or stock keeping units. I recently worked with a wholesale distribution company that was expanding their product line. The business was booming. Sales were growing. Financial statements were looking good. They were continuously introducing new products to keep expanding the business and staying competitive. Sounds great, right? Well, there was one problem. QuickBooks couldn't keep up with the sheer number of products and transactions that this business dealt with daily. And as they were expanding the product line and customer base, QuickBooks began to slow down. It was affecting everything from order processing to financial reporting. So we came in and set up our own system. But it all starts with an audit. Take a guess on how much money they were losing every single month due to all these drawbacks previously mentioned. This company was losing an average of $35,000 a month due to inefficiencies. So then we implemented our recommended ERP system, which was designed to handle big data and scales with your business, no matter whether you're managing hundreds of thousands of SKUs or processing millions of transactions. But for this specific client, switching to our system gave them three major benefits. Number one, faster processing time. Number two, real-time data analytics. And most importantly, the ability to maintain accuracy even as the business continued to grow. Talking about accuracy, manual processes in QuickBooks are another huge problem. Yes, I agree that they provide a level of control and familiarity. However, manual processing is time-consuming. It's also error-prone and can hinder efficiency as your business scales. After all, humans are doing the manual inputs, and humans make mistakes. Sometimes at work too. Once again, if you're a small business and getting started, it's great to initially rely on QuickBooks for invoicing and financial reporting. However, as your business grows, you'll find yourself spending more and more time manually entering data, reconciling accounts, correcting errors, spending more time in other platforms like your e-commerce store or your CRM. This will eat into your team's productivity. Your chances of making costly mistakes will increase. But worst of all, it can impact client relationships. You don't want that, right? So what you need is an ERP system like Acumatica to automate all your processes. It streamlines workflows across your entire organization, which reduces the reliance on manual data entry and minimizes the risk of errors. Whether you want to automate invoicing, get real-time updates on financial transactions, or seamlessly integrate with other business applications, e-commerce sites, or EDI applications, a robust ERP is the way to go. Efficiency through automation. That's our trademark here at Cybercore. We will help you operate at a higher level of efficiency. So if you're tired of the time-consuming manual processes in QuickBooks that leave room for costly errors, book a free call in the description below, and let's save you money and increase your ROI together. Until next time.